a block is projected on a rough horizontal road with speed 10 meters per second. If the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.1, how far will it travel before coming to rest? Okay, so if a block is kept, if a block is moving on a surface, if it is moving forward, the friction will act in backward direction. Okay, so how much will be friction? This is normal and this is mg. So if motion is forward, then the normal will be equal to mg and the friction will be equal to mu times normal, and it will be mu mg. So this is the value of friction. Now what will be the acceleration? So acceleration will be f by m. Deceleration, it will always be deceleration, so minus mu mg by m, so minus mu g. So this is the acceleration. Now how much it will travel before coming to rest? So we have acceleration, we have initial velocity. Initial velocity is 10 meters per second, and finally it is coming to rest. So final velocity is also given, that is 0. We can use formula v square minus u square equal to 2as. Final velocity is 0, initial is 10, and 2a is minus mu g into s. So s is 10 square by 2 mu g. So that is 100 by 2. How much is mu? Mu is 0.1 and g is 10. So that is 50 meters. So the displacement of the object will be 50 meters before it stops. It will stop 50 meter distance. It will travel 50 meter distance before stopping.